going to waste time worrying about the new ones or the way they did it, because maybe they were also under instruction or given the impression na mayroon akong resignation. I cannot blame them for that. Although itinanggap na yung resignation ko na sinasabi, napalitan na ako, I considered myself at that time still responsible on holdover but no longer with the authority to execute any official act. Big disappointment, but hindi sama ng loob yun eh. Because, you know, you do not expect na you can be out of the office so quickly. The exercise of the priority, but I am aware of the nature of serving at the pleasure of the president.
No, baka classic mix-up lang na, you know, akala namin nag-decide ka kasi nagbigay ng courtesy resignation or something like that. Tapos tinanggap ni Mark. Kasi di ba ang sabi, hindi papansinin ni Presidente. Pero bakit tinanggap niya yung resignation at bakit pinatalsik yung mga tinamaan ng alegasyon?
Hi, Mr. President!
Let me talk about it. If you want to talk about the storm, we'll talk about that. I don't want to even dignify what you said.
Can we talk about the storm,
Thank you.
Sir.
Also nga pala, subscribe to the channel, follow my links sa socials on Lord Joseph. Kasi nga, you know, tagal-tagal ko nang nag-YouTube pero hindi pa rin ako nakaka-1,000 subscribers. So I need 50 more subscribers. Now, si Senate President Pro Tempore Ping Lacson naman, may ibang paliwanag sa isiniwalat ni Zaldico saying na ginamit lang ang pangalan ni Marcos sa pag-insert ng budget. Na wala siyang alam dito because, you know, puro lang intermediary ang pumunta. Intermediary lang nakipag-usap sa kanila invoking the name of the president. Kaya siguro inakala niya raw na, you know, si Marcos talaga ang nakakuha ng mga kickback. Kahit na again, sinabi nga natin na nasa mahigit 200 billion pesos ang vinito ni Marcos noong December 2024 sa 2025 budget. Although again, 30 billion pesos lang doon yung sa DPWH.
I have it on good information that yung announcement na ginawa, yung statement na ginawa ni ex-congressman Zaldico, na nagbintang siya na 100 billion, sinasabi niya na utos daw ng Pangulo na isingit sa BICAM. Your Honor and I both know that the 100 billion, and we went over, I know na, both of us went through the list independently or separately. And you and I agree